My next door neighbor. He got four-wheel drive and his ass is stuck. Yeah, you're good and stuck. Wow. Yep. He's not gonna get out. He's stuck. Look at this. Had to send a little one in. Wow. If you got stuck, I know I'm not driving.
I'm not stuck.
You're not? He ain't stuck. Your ass is stuck. Wow. It's crazy. Look how far off the snow is from us. What? Do you have all your stuff on? Do you have your socks on? Do you have what you need on? If you got what you need on, come on out.